Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I have a new guest design team project that I've created for Scrap Diva Designs. I've made these beautiful hibiscus shaker cards using dies from her 2024 release. Before I review each of these projects with you, I'm going to share some of the dies that I used. To make the card base, I used this Hibiscus mini album. Now this has 5 pieces. It has this outline piece to create the base. It has this stitched area here to create a shaker. It has the stamens. It has this part as well as the calyx. I used this flamingo shaker. Now this is really fun and easy to use. You have 2 different flamingos facing in opposite directions, and you also get a boy and a girl. I used the hibiscus flower plate. This has been a staple in all of the projects that I've shared with you over the last few weeks. You have the small hibiscus flowers as well as the large hibiscus flowers. And I love that there are 3 flowers on each plate, which makes it easier to make multiple flowers at a time. I also use the tropical leaves. There are 9 different patterns here. This is a wonderful die set. And last but not least, I used the Essentials Bundle 1. This has the stitched oval. This has the circle with a fun pattern. It has the oval with a fun pattern, as well as a stitched circle. All of these dies are available at Scrap Diva Designs. I will be sure to include my affiliate link in the description box below. I do make a small commission when you purchase these dies. Please be sure to use my coupon code ROBYN10 upon checkout for a 10% discount, and I sincerely appreciate your support. This allows me to continue this channel and to continue making fun projects for you. You can also reach Scrap Diva on TikTok. You can reach her on Instagram as well as YouTube. Now, let's take a look at the fun cards that I've created. This is the first card that I've created. The paper collection that I use is by Recollections. It's called Tropic Vacation. This is an older collection that I had in my stash, but I think it is so fun and perfect for the Scrap Diva Designs July release. The base of the card is the shape of a hibiscus. Now, this is intended to be a mini album. However, I have created a card, and as you can see, it's got lots of dimension. In the back, you can see that I've made this a shaker card. You can see all of the sequins. Front and center, we've got these adorable flamingo shakers. You can see the little sequins here that I have in each of the bodies. And we've got the boy, and we have the little girl here. I love her cute little flirty eyelashes. I've used the tropical leaves and the hibiscus flowers here. We've got a large and a small. And then I filled in with flowers from my stash. On the bottom, we have this sentiment that says, "We go good together." But isn't that just fun? I love the beautiful colors. And this is a very meaty card. Now on the inside, I have kept it simple. I don't know who I'm giving this to, but I will stamp a sentiment in it once I give this to the recipient. So this is the first card. This is my second card that I've made. I also used the Recollections Tropic Vacation. Now, for this example, I did not make a shaker card. I simply glued everything down to the base of the card. Now, the fun part about this is that the base paper has fun tropical cocktails, and so that's really the theme of this card. Front and center, we have this adorable flamingo. You can see the beautiful pink sequins that I have inside with seed beads. Behind it, I have it laying on top of a stitched oval die. That's from the Scrap Diva Essentials Bundle. And then on the side, I have the tropical leaves, I have the hibiscus flowers, and if you look closely, you can see the cute little tropical cocktails. Each of these have been fussy cut from the paper as well as all of the fruit. We've got the strawberry on the top. We've got a watermelon with orange. We've got more cocktails on this side. And this flamingo just looks so beautiful in the center. And on the bottom, it says "Living Life in Color." This is an explosion of color. On the inside, I have matted it with this fun green paper. And again, I have left it blank until I give it to the recipient. I have one more example to share with you. This is my last card. Now for the paper, I used an older paper collection by Prima Marketing called Golden Coast. This is such a gorgeous collection and I hoarded it. And I thought it was perfect for this card. Now, instead of doing a tropical flamingo theme, I decided to do more of a beachy underwater theme. And so we have this beautiful paper. You can see the flecks of gold foil in it. This is also a shaker card. And if you look closely, you can see the beautiful sequins. I decided to use for the calyx as well as the stamen this glitter pink as well as gold to complement the colors in the card. And here we have a small and large hibiscus. I've got that accented with these beautiful gems and then this pink rhinestone pearl here. We've got this beautiful seahorse and seashells. I love this. It says, "You make my day." And again, I left it blank on the inside. I did not create a tutorial for the hibiscus shaker card. However, if you'd like for me to do one, please leave a comment for me in the description box below. I did, however, want to give you an idea of how I created the card base. So here I have two different card bases. This is a single piece, which is fully cut out. And then here is a card base that has a front and a back, and you can see it's connected in the center. To create this shape, I took the outermost die and I cut it so that a portion of the die was hanging off the side of the card. So when you cut your card, you can cut it 6 by 12 and then fold it in half. On the fold line, you want to make sure that there is a slight overlap of the die, okay? And so when you do that, you're going to have a piece that looks like this. You'll notice that this edge here is straight, and on this piece, there's no straight edge whatsoever. So this will allow you to create a base that's fully intact in the center. And then to complete your card, all you do is cut out another card base. You cover this with your decorative paper, and then you just glue it on to your card, and then you've got a card that looks like this. Okay, so that's how I made the card base. Here's another look at the beautiful cards that I've created. Once again, I made these cards using the beautiful Hibiscus mini album die from Scrap Diva Designs. All of the products that I shared with you today are available on her website. Feel free to use my coupon code Robyn 10. Be sure to tune into my channel tomorrow to see more fun projects that I've created using dies from Scrap Diva Designs. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.